In this video, I will show you how you can change your tip on Uber Eats. Now, after you have ordered and it's been delivered, you can only increase the tip, you cannot decrease it since it's already been paid. But if you want to change it in that way, what you can do is just open up Uber Eats, and usually you will be prompted to leave a review. Now, if that doesn't happen automatically, just go to Orders, and then from there click Past Orders, and here you will find all of your orders. So click on the recent order that you want to change the tip for, and from there go and click on Add Your Rating, and there you will be able to see your current tip amount. So what you can then do is tap on Edit to change that amount, and then just click Save and Continue to save your new tip amount and pay for the extra, and then you will have changed your tip for the driver. So now you know how to change your tip on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.